is Harsha. Welcome back to my channel. So summers are here, and the other day I was on Pinterest and I was scrolling, and for a change, usually my feed is like filled with all these really western aesthetic outfits. The other day this really nice desi aesthetic kurti wala picture popped up and I was like, this looks so good. And when I looked into my closet, I honestly had nothing like it. So that very moment I was like, I need some short kurtis or just like cute kurtis for summers. These are like perfect for college and office wear. Honestly, these are like so perfect all year around, but especially for the summers you want to wear something that's easy breezy, and these are exactly that. So let's just jump right in. The very first one that I have, I'm so excited for this video, I cannot even tell you. So the first one that I have is this one. This is a really nice green colored kurti. What I like about this is that the style is peplum. So if you have noticed, the current trend in fashion is like peplum tops, but if you don't want to go ahead and do the whole western thing, you can do it the Indian way, and I think this is just so perfect. Really like the pleating that they have provided. It is so intricate and just so nice. I also like this color for the summers. I think it's like bright and out there. So yahan pe they've given this mirror work detailing with like nice jhumkas. The one that I'm wearing right now is just so pretty and like so aesthetic, so love this. So really like the print on this. This just has like really pretty white flowers. Also the size matters. Okay, that came out wrong. What I mean is, you know, there's this theory that if you go for like larger prints, it tends to make you look older. So if you want to look all delicate and nice, then go for like smaller prints. So yeah, this is exactly that. The next one is also in the similar pattern, but I was just drawn towards these peplum top kurtis. I don't know how to explain it to you, but yeah, it's just something. But I stopped myself. Okay, so this is the only other one that I've got. This is in this blue color, very similar to that one, but the pleats that they have given here are not as much. Like the pleats on this one are even at the back side, but here is just like samne and piche is just like barely anything. So this is also really cute. I like the color, again perfect for the summers, and it's cotton. You guys know my love for like cotton, linen. They are like so good. I feel like 100% cotton and 100% linens can be a little expensive, but they are so worth the investment in my opinion. So yeah, love it for the summers. So good. You can wear this to the college or even to your workplace. Perfect. You can wear it with, you know, really nice linen white pants or even with the jeans. Especially like try it with like boot cut jeans. They are so nice. It will just like balance out your entire body. So really nice. Next up, I got a A-line kurti because yeah, I just wanted to try different silhouettes. This one is again so summer appropriate. Like this literally screams summer in my opinion. This is so pretty. Look at it. It's like white, like not really white. It's off-white with these flowers. I thought that these buttons would open up, but they don't. But that's okay. That's not a problem. This collection is called Gul in full blue. Probably that's why they have flowers all over it. They've given like these puffy sleeves which come up to your elbow, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Again, look at it. It's just so nice, and the fitting, oh my god, is chumma. I love it. I really like they have also given cut. Sometimes I don't like A-line kurtis when they do not give a cut. It's just a little uncomfortable around your hip area, but when they give a cut, it's so flattering. I really love it. So yeah, this is how this one looks. Again, love it. I think इसके साथ मेरा expectations versus reality हो गया थोड़ा सा. When I saw this, I did not like it, but when I tried it on, I kind of liked it. So you let me know what do you think about this. So this is the kurti. I don't know, the flowers and the colors look a little bland, not really summery. It feels very autumn. I don't know how to tell you, but yeah, like I'm not a fan of the colors that they have, but it looks really pretty. Okay, this one doesn't have a side slit, but it is still comfortable to wear. So yeah, again, I'm in the size, oh, this one I'm in the size medium. Probably that's why it was so comfortable. Okay, I got it in the size medium, and this is what it looks like. Really, I don't know, when I tried it on, I really liked it. That's probably because the buttons also open up, so it's like very easy breezy, and yeah. So if you like it, you can go for it or whatever. That's all right. The next one, oh my god, I'm sold. I cannot tell you. I honestly had no expectations from this one. Like I did not even think that I would like it so much, but the moment I wore it, oh, so pretty. I cannot even tell you. It just, probably it's the color, or I don't know, it's probably also the fit, because this fits me the best. This has to be the best kurti, like short kurti from this particular haul. It is so pretty. Look at the colors, it's so vibrant, and when you look at it like this, you may not understand, but when you like see me in the try on clip, you'll really see how well this fits me. It has a slit and it is so perfect. When I tried it on, it just like stuck me at the right places. I don't know how to explain it to you. It's almost like it was made for me, like custom made for me. That's how well the fitting of this one is. So I'm impressed. I really like it. They had like another color in this one, I think mustard, but I went for this. There's this thing, right, like bright colors look so pretty on Indian skin tones. So this one is like red maroon sort of a color. So like bright colors are our thing and we should really wear it as much as possible. So yeah, I could really tell when I wore this. I was like, yeah, this is my color and this is my kurti. So I love this one, so good. Next one that I got is a peach kurti. Again, so easy to wear, and this is so comfortable. Like literally you can lounge around in this and it is just so perfect. I also really like the print on this, and the color is, oh my god, chumma. I really like it. This has like bell sleeves sort of, so it's very comfortable to wear, and like you can really like move around and chill in this. Understand better from the try on clip, but yeah, this has like asymmetrical hemline, and this is what it looks like. I really like this color and very easy to wear. This is small, but this fits me a little loose, so if you like this, you can size down. But yeah, I love this. So pretty, and again, cannot wait to wear this. Okay, next up, I don't know why did I get this one in extra small. I did not realize it. Like when I tried it on, I'm like, why is this a little tight? That's because I got it in extra small thinking that it would fit me. But again, you can see like this is small, but this is a little loose. सोचा कि शायद ये भी थोड़ा loose होगा, I'll be able to fit in, but I was wrong. It doesn't fit me like that tightly, but you can tell it's like 100% cotton. I also do think that cottons shrink a little bit after the first wash. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. Very nice. However, I'm not a fan. I mean, this detail that they have provided is very cute. These tie-up details and has like tassels over it. Very cute, very summery, very summer appropriate. Also love the material of this one. This has to be like 100% cotton, which I can tell when I'm like touching it. But the fitting is a little off, so yeah, I am going to return it. But yeah, you can see how this fits me. If you like it, you can get it. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है that like I'm shopping for kurtis or anything and I'm not getting anything white? That's just not me. So I had to get something in white. So this is the kurti that I ended up getting, and I mean, it's okay. There's like so much going on. Firstly, the sleeves are like bell sleeves, and also this detailing they've provided. This really fits weird. I'm not a fan. I can get something a lot better. I also don't really like the tie-up detailing that they have given here. I find it very flimsy and not good quality. So that's what I feel about this kurti. But yeah, this I am going to return for sure. So those are all the short kurtis that I got this time. Let me know what did you think of this video. Myntra is currently running their sale, so you can check out these as they would be like at great discount. I'll link them down below, or you can also get them from their respective website. That would also help, but I think Myntra is still better. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.